guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing an unboxing on the Hobonichi Techo 2021 spring collection. So Hobonichi released several items for the spring of 2021, and also they restocked a lot of items that was previously released. And if you are a Hobonichi followers, a collector, so I'm pretty sure you have already placed your order for the spring collection. So I got this box a few days ago. So I don't know, but this is my first time to receive a package that was already been on this, like this, that the box has already been out. Usually they wrap it with a white plastic bag, and then this one, and I had a feeling that this package has been opened, because as you guys can see right there, there is a tape on the edges. And yeah, usually like I tried to remove those dark stuff right there and it wouldn't come off, and there's already like a tape inside. But as far as I remember, I don't even remember that Hobonichi shipped their items on the box itself. They usually have those white plastic covering in it. But anyway, I have already opened this box and inspect inside, making it sure that everything were intact. But yes, I am going to show you what I got for the spring Hobonichi Spring Techo 2021. So let's open it. Yeah, this is just the box itself. You guys are already familiar with the writing. I really like this one right here. You write, you draw, and oh my gosh, I'm excited for this collection, guys. So here's the first item. So the first one I got right here on this bubble wrap, and this is like a clear stamp. And this is, yeah, they just released this, guys, and these are so cute, the Doraemon. And yeah, let me give you a closer look on hold on a second, let me just try to adjust something here. Yeah, so those are the clear stamp and features the Ryman. And yeah, so if you're a fan of this character, of this animation character, you will definitely gonna love it. They're so cute, this one, especially this one, very, very cute. And that's him by itself, and some of those Japanese characters here. Yeah, this is very nice. I got two of these at the back as well. This is just the instructions, but this is yeah, in Japanese. So okay, moving on to the next item. So the next item I got, this is just a cover uncover from, yeah, this is the cover uncover. And yeah, I just got that. I have several in my collection that the A6 size, and I needed a cover, so I got at least, yeah, I got 5 of these. And yeah, just to really to protect the cover, guys. So I got the cover and cover. Yeah, they're pretty cheap, so yeah, I got 5 of these, so they're all the same. So this is the A6 size. Okay, so just 5. And okay, so now this particular item was released for the spring of this year, 2021, and it is so cute. So I have here the Doraemon. Look at that. She is so cute. So they call this one the Doraemon-chan. So this is, yeah, the latest addition for the Hobonichi Techo Japan. If you are probably familiar with the Japanese manga classic series, you know what you know this collection. And yeah, she is so cute. Let me open this one first and tell you a little bit more of what this is about. But guys, it is so cute. Wow, look at that. So this one is designed by the art director Idea Oshima, and look at that. The Doraemon, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. So this one, it's so cute, really cute. So this one actually features the yellow and more of like an orange plaid pattern. I kind of like it though because it's very colorful. The color is so vibrant, and yeah, very nice, very nice. So once again, this one is made up of fabric, and this one, it looks like, I don't know how it looks like it has been like screen printed, and it looks like, I'm not sure, but it's printed. You could actually, it's not like a sticker. Yeah, it looks really nice. I like the flower right there. The flower, it's so gorgeous. And look at her facial expression. She looks kind of happy. She looks very happy. So this is a really nice addition for my collection. It looks vibrant. It looks lively. It looks, you know, it's so cute. And let's take a look at the interior, the inside. Okay. So the inside has this cream. Yeah, the inside is in cream color. And also this is made up of fabric as well. I was thinking of this one is made up of this faux leather, but it is fabric, more of like a silk though, like polyester. I know not silk, yeah, polyester. So this one is fabric and this one here is polyester. It's really shiny. And also I like the contrast. I do love the contrast. So let me just do this, and then yeah, it's really cute. It's so cute. So let's take a look at the inside. I always like to look at on this flap, guys. So that's what it is. Okay, and also right here the bookmark actually. So oh, the charms. The charms is so pretty. Look at the charms right there. This one actually features the white flowers. I love the flowers right there. It's so cute. And here is, right here, I think this is a sticker. I believe so. So this is a Doraemon sticker. I'm not sure if my camera is picking up, but yeah, I'm probably gonna have to set it a little bit further so that we'll be able to see it. My camera should have picked up closely. So this is a sticker. So this is just, yeah, this one, too bad I can't read. Oh yeah, here it is. So this is just a care booklet. And then this is what it tells you about the collection. This is the Hobonichi Techo Japan Manga Classics Doraemon, and it is a collaborative series between the Hobonichi Techo and some of the most beloved manga series in Japan that have been around for generations. So you guys see the designer there, Idea Oshima 50th. Okay. It's so cute. It also says here, Fujiko F. Fujio's manga always had a childlike appeal. This artwork is on display at the Fujiko F. Fujio Museum, where visitors can see all his works, which he created to bring joy and laughter to children. Apparently, yeah, it is really cute. Look at the detail right there. And also, yeah, I really thought this is part of it. So this is just the sticker right around. Yeah, it's a part of it. So yeah, this is the Hobonichi Techo A6 cover that was released for the spring. Yeah, this is the only one that has been released for spring, guys. And a lot of those items that has been previously released, yeah, they restocked it, and yeah, they sold out really fast. And yeah, this one is so vibrant. It's so cute. Really, really cute. So moving on to the next item. So what I have here, it's the same thing. So I purchased 3 of those. So I got 3 because they're so cute. I will be keeping this 2, and then I will be gifting the other one for my niece. And also, I also got this one as well. This was previously released. I think, last year. And I actually missed this collection. So they restocked this one, and I purchased it. I think this one is cute. This Doraemon as well. Very nice. The inside interior is more of like a lighter yellow. Really nice also. And hold on a minute. Yeah. Look at the detail right there. So let me just see the charm. So yeah, the charm is plain, just like that. Yeah, I think this one is cute as well. Yeah, very nice. It's so cute. But the other one, I really believe that the other one is so much cuter though. Yeah, this one is so much cuter. She looks so happy right there. I love it. It's so pretty. I like this one a lot. So next, moving on to the next item. Okay, these are just, I got here the original Avec A6 size refill. So there were actually 2 here. So I think this was divided into like 6 months of each of these. So 6 months here, 6, and then this is, yeah, this is good for a year. And yeah, I got this. And also, I also got this. This is just a blank, this is an A5 size. And yeah, this is just a blank notebook. Let me just show it to you a little bit. And yeah, I love this a lot. I think this one is less than $10, and I love it. I love this paper. Look at that. Really nice. What I love about this is this could lay flat. When you write something, this could lay flat. So yeah, very nice. And this is made up of, yeah, Tomoe River paper. If you're familiar with that, it's very, very thin. So if you have a Bible at home, if you're not familiar with the Tomoe River paper, if you have a Bible at home, you could, it has the same texture though. It's really thin. Really nice. I love the Tomoe River paper. I've been using it for years, and I fell in love with it. So now, I don't know what I noticed about, I don't know if Hobonichi has a price increase, but for some reason, I just realized that usually when you go to the website, the pricing there, you have to adjust the pricing. You have to change the pricing from yen to US dollars, so you'll be able to see it in dollars. But for some reason, I am just so used to the website, I don't normally really look at the prices anymore. And for some reason, this was priced for $37. So yeah, I just find that one a little bit pricey for this particular item. I mean, like, oh wow. I mean, yeah, it is a little bit pricey, and it's $37.73. I find it a little bit expensive for this cover, guys. But yeah, I think they do have a price increase. But this one, I think this one is, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is 29 US dollars. And yeah, this one has an extra, you know, the cover itself. It's, yeah, they put a lot, there's a paint in there, and this one is just really plain. So yeah. But for a cover for almost like, yeah, for almost $40, I find it a little bit expensive for that. And the shipping, though the shipping is quick, but yes, it is expensive. So if you want to buy something from Hobonichi, you might as well buy a lot more so you could save on shipping. And yeah, they're very, very fast. They're very efficient. And also, yeah, they have several accessories that they released for the spring collection. If you guys will want to check that one out, you could just go to the website. But there's only, yeah, this is the only thing that I wanted to add in my collection. There's one, a travel time bird or something like that. I'm not really sure what that is, but I know it was the bird. That one has been sold out so fast. And yeah, I was surprised because yeah, probably there's a lot of people are already waiting for that to restock, and now they have no plans on restocking to those items that has already been sold out. But if you're interested in getting in these are still available on the website. I just checked the website today, and yes, they are still available. And also this one, I think this one is the perfect match together. Both of them are so cute. Definitely, I love it. Really, really cute. So anyway, this is my unboxing for the Hobonichi Techo for the spring 2021 collection. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.